So this is how this box arrived from Amazon. I took it out of the very thin plastic bag that they ship most stuff in, most small things in. And yeah, so just kind of destroyed in transit. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Hopefully the watch is okay. Yeah. Why does this feel like another return? This will be the second watch from Amazon that's been a return. Maybe it's not. It's really loose. Let's go ahead and take it out of the package. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out of the pack. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's not a return. It's just crappy packaging from Armitron with no help from Amazon throwing it around. But yeah, it's obviously new because it still has the zip tie. Cut this off without stabbing myself. That would not be very advertiser friendly. All right, we're good. Okay, so this is the Armitron. Oh, what do people call it? The Griffey, I think. It is a reissue, or an reissue? No, it is, my English today. It is a reissue from the 70s. Back when the quartz crisis really took off and digital watches were like the thing. All right, lots of crap. Okay. All right. So, yeah, very 70s, very retro, very iconic. This is probably, I would say this is probably the most popular Armitron currently, is this reissue. There are videos all over YouTube of this watch, so I'm definitely not the only one making a video on this. But yeah, several different options you can go with. This is the option I went with, gold. I love gold. You guys know that. A lot of my watches are gold. And then it's got red LED digits, and you can get this in silver with red LED digits, or blue ones, or green ones. So there's also a black version of this with red digits as well. So just different, all kinds of different colors. I went with the gold with red LEDs. So that being said, pardon the burp that came out of nowhere. Let me get this stupid tag off, and then we will try the watch on. And it's on one of these bands that's like not my favorite in terms of the clasp. You guys know what I'm talking about. But that being said, it is an iconic band. However, I may look at getting an aftermarket gold stainless steel band. So there you go. It's got some play to it, obviously. Let's see what the LEDs look like. Okay, that's way dimmer than I thought. In fact, you can't even see the hour on camera. That's dimmer than I thought it would be. In fact, you can't really see the hour hardly on camera at all. It's also dim in person. This may need a battery change. I don't know. Why is it so dim? It's bright for everybody else on who posted this on online. That's really dim. Let me turn off the light box. See if we can get a better look. Okay, so it shows up way better than the light box. But man, it's still dim in person. So there is the time. There's the date. It's all wrong. I'm going to set it. And there's the seconds. Those are your three options. And no, this is not meant to stay on to preserve battery, which again, very dim to me. Not so dim to you because it's, camera's overcompensating. This is really dim in real life. I think I'm about to change the battery, which I can do myself. Honestly, it's easy. So unscrew the back, change the battery. It takes like 5 minutes. But yeah. I'm going to go ahead and set the time and size it, and then we will take a look, see what it looks like. I'll be right back. Okay, it was easy to set, but you know me, I hate these freaking bands. So I'm going to take this knife here and size this upward, probably like right there. And now I'm going to put it on my wrist, and hopefully that should be where it needs to be. It's not. It needs to go up higher. Okay. Nope, that's too high up. All right. Third time is always the charm. There you go. There it is. Very nice looking watch. There's the dimly lit time. Let me turn off the light so you can see better, because I just am not satisfied with how it looks with the light on at all. So, like I said, I'm going to replace the battery myself, do it off camera, do it in my own time. There you go. It's 6:30 p.m. It is February 12th. And there's the seconds. Very cool. It also keeps track of the year. It just doesn't show it unless you're setting the time and the date. So, but yeah, there you go. Very nice. I will link this below if you're interested in one of these yourself. Currently, as of this recording, it is on sale for like 30 bucks. It's normally 60, so I got it for half off. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody.